What's going on, y'all? It's your buddy Brady Septillion sitting here with my Wall Street Journal. Public blueprints for digital guns test new limits. Cody Wilson, a director of DEFCOD, however you pronounce it, has waged a multi-year legal battle against the federal government over his rights to share 3D gun-related material digital prints to show you how to create your own guns. Now, I don't know enough about this subject to give you an opinion, and quite frankly, I am from the era of your opinion really doesn't matter. Why? I don't like cold weather, but guess what comes every year after fall, people? Ferris, Bueller, anyone? That's right, winter. So, what Cody is saying, he has the ability and the right to share his prints with people so folks can get out here and create their own 3D guns. Because why? Some point you gonna need that thing.